It's smoking! This is a 2002 Hyundai Elantra.
Yeah, it's been sitting around for about 3 years. The battery's almost definitely toast. The tires are absolutely, completely flat. It's actually growing everywhere.
It's in quite the state of disrepair. So today we're going to see if we can get it started at the bare minimum and if we can perhaps drive it. So without further ado, let's see if we can get it into the garage. That's going to be a challenge in itself. Should we see if we can start it?
Like, just try and start it?
Yeah. Oh my god, there's nothing to the clutch.
Yeah, I forgot to tell you about that.
Okay, so now we'll pull up the crown zip and we'll see if we can get it boosted.
Things first.
There. So the camera just stopped recording, but we got the car running. I don't know if you saw any of that. So we boosted it. It's running. We're going to see if we can maybe move it, although I don't know if that's possible. The clutch does nothing really, so hope and pray. Sit rep. It doesn't go into any gear except reverse for right now, and there's no clutch.
That could be a problem.
That could, yeah.
Considering I don't think we can get it over there by going through all those trees.
So we're gonna try and push it now. All right.
It's not moving at all.
No, that is stuck in place. So I noticed this toast wrap here, but where is it attached? Oh, that's a spider. I think what we're going to do right now is we're going to move it, and we'll update you in a moment. Sit rep. The car is in the garage. Now what we're going to do is get the car in the air, and in the air, and look at it. The car is in the air, and we are going to now change the oil. So let's do that. So we've completed the oil change, but we've discovered the clutch really doesn't work. So we're gonna try and drive it anyways. And by we, I mean I'm gonna hop in there, see if I can at the bare minimum back it out. But the car turns on, turns over, it runs, but we're gonna see if we can actually drive it. So I'm gonna hop in, we'll see if I can get the car backed out. We've moved the car out of the garage so we don't hit anything. And we're gonna go from there. So, it is about 12 hours later. We've got the oil changed. We've got the tire over there holding air somewhat. And we've got the clutch issue somewhat resolved. So, we are going to take it on its inaugural drive. And after that, we're going to get Devin to drive it.
Oh.
Yes!
I guess.
It's smoking!
Remember when you were like, that probably isn't a bad deal? Remember when it kept getting badder?
Yeah.
I was like, that smells bad. Maybe we, yeah, no.
There's a bit of smoke.
Was it that bad? Was there
I think it's probably that belt.
that one, or do we think it's something?
Oh, it smells terrible. Okay,
Let's
let's get this up
It's not
here.
hungry, so it's not illegal. We're just hanging out there.